To attach the plow, align the receiver brackets with the plow horns and drive forward slowly until the plow horns are fully seated inside the brackets. Turn off the truck's engine. Pull the handle up to lift the shoe off the ground. Pull and hold out the lock pin, rotate the handle up and release the lock pin into the upper hole, making sure the stand hook grips the receiver pin. Plug in the electrical connections. Repeat on the other side of the plow. Turn on the vehicle and then turn on the down pressure hydraulics and press the lower button. Raise, lower and angle the plow to make sure no hoses or wires pinch in the plow mechanism. Team members assisting with the attach or detach process should stand clear of the blade and never between the vehicle and the blade to prevent injury should the blade drop. To disconnect, place the blade in the V position. Unless it is a straight blade plow, lower the blade to the ground and turn off the truck. Disconnect the electrical plugs and make sure they are stowed away. Pull and hold out the lock pin, rotate the handle down and release the lock pin into the lower hole. Push down the top of the shoe so it is on the ground. Repeat these steps for the other side. Look to the front, sides and back of the truck to ensure all ground operators are away from the truck and back away.